Hi everyone, a very warm welcome from Arjati Creations. This is our brand new complete course on Whirly and it is absolutely free. We'll be doing the basic levels of Whirly now. Now today's session is a Whirly special where we'll be learning how to make a set of two paintings. For today's session, the material that you'll need is you can take any colored A4 sheet, preferably a light color, a light yellow, a light green, or a light blue, or a light pink. Any light color will do. The second thing that you will need a thin tip marker. I have used a Unipin fine tip marker which is 0.3 mm. You can use any 0.3 mm marker. If that's not available, even a 0.5 mm thin tip marker will be good. Other than that, we will be using colored pens also in this particular video. Now I have cut two squares. The measurement of this particular square is 5 inch by 5 inch. You can cut two squares of the same size and we'll do the paintings. Now let us start. What is the first thing is that if you intend to get this painting framed, you need to leave a gap of 1 centimeter on all four sides because that is the part which will go in the framing. So first let me mark 1 centimeter on all sides. So here this 1 centimeter portion will go in the framing. Now after you've marked the portion that will go in the framing, we will mark another 2 centimeters. So just mark 2 centimeters with a pencil on both sides. These will act as your double borders. So very lightly with a light hand draw the lines. Now what I'm doing is that I am further dividing this border line into half because I want to have a very perfectly drawn border. Now before we go further, let me do this with black tip pen. You can use the thin tip pen here. So your scale should be steady. Now this is the first border area that we have created. Now we will draw for the inner border. But for the inner border, I will not draw edge to edge. I will draw only the inner square. Now let me draw a double line. I will draw a double line everywhere and show you. Now let us decide which border pattern we are going to use on both these borders. But before we do that, if there are any excess lines in the outside, we will just rub it. Now you can see that I have rubbed the border. All the rubber pencil marks in the outside border. There is only one line which is still there, which is in pencil here. Now I have decided for this painting that I'll use two borders, and from the border template sheet I am using the 16 number border in the outside, and in the inside I am using the 35 number border. So to make the borders very symmetrical, what you can do is that you take this area and you mark 1 centimeter here, like that. You continue your markings on the other side also. Mark centimeters, 1 centimeter on all sides. Even here I am marking 1 centimeter, and then we will first draw the triangles on the outer side so that the symmetry is not broken. Now just with a pencil, just draw the triangle outlines, and here I'm just doing a spiral like that, so I will just draw for my reference. Now once you're through with your drawing, let us do it with the thin tip marker. Now let us draw the inside border. So let me just finish it for all the other 3 sides also. So you can see that the border on all 4 sides is done and ready. Now today's I'm going to use a normal any red color gel pen, and I'm going to fill up this line in between with red color. So I will just fill and show you to add a contrast color. You can do any color of your choice. So this way you have to do for all 4 sides. So let me just complete this and show you. So now you can see that I have prepared this border, completed both the borders. Now what we'll do is we'll divide the center square into half. Basically we'll just mark the points with a pencil and we'll draw the figure which we want to draw. Now for this particular painting, we will be using the human celebrations which we did it in lesson 5. So we will be drawing them in pairs. That means a male and a female will draw 2 figurettes in this center portion. So let me just divide it into half and show you. You can see now that I have completed the border. I have even colored these lines with red to give it the colored look. I have marked this empty portion. I have marked half and I have drawn a square here so that it acts as a base for me to draw. Now we will be using the template of the human celebrations in this to draw the figures of the humans. So you have this human template sheet. I will be using this figure and I will be using this figure in this picture. So let me just draw it. So depending upon the area that you have, now we will draw the man. So this one is ready. In the same way, I've prepared absolutely similar border and I've drawn another figure in this, that is this one which we had done from the human celebrations in the center. Now I will fade both of them. First we'll only outline it and then we'll do the design. So let us start. In the same way, I'll draw an outline for the other one also and then I'll do the design. Now let me do a little bit of designing and show. Now I have rubbed what we had drawn with the pencil and now I am starting the design. the sketch pen. You can use any normal sketch pen. So now I am adding a little red here. In the same way, let me finish the other one and show. So you can see I have completed this one and also this one. Now I will frame both of these paintings and I will show you how they look after a frame. You can create similar kind of paintings in a group of 4, in a group of 3, and they can do up a beautiful corner in your house. They are also an ideal gift for your friends and family. So let me show you the framed version as well. So you can see that I have framed this painting. See, look how pretty it is looking. I will show you the framed version of the other one also. So now you can see the second painting that I have created. I've got it framed also. So please create your paintings in this 5" by 5" square and do share your pictures with us. Thank you for watching the video. Do like our video and subscribe to our channel for many more such free Whirly videos, and do click on the bell icon so that you can get a notification as soon as we upload the next video. Thanks again and bye bye.